So the next task we got on this project is we're going to rake all this stuff up. We're going to use the tractor there. We're going to use the Thatcher on the back there. Let's get a better look at it there. So it's just a lawn Thatcher, but I don't know. I kind of think this one's a little bit more heavy duty. But yeah, we're going to use that, and it's just going to pick up a lot of this loose stuff like this. So we're going to rake the drive because we are going to put road gravel down, and we're going to just thicken it up a little bit because there's already some down, but I didn't really want to put it on top of all this stuff. And there's some sticks down there and everything else, so there, as you can see, just a few passes is all it took, and it cleared up quite a bit of that. And then even in here too, does a good job, that rake does. Even though I don't think it's made for that. I think it's just made for grass, but it does work great. So alrighty, and just like that, just within a few passes, it cleans it up real nice. It's a lot faster than raking, I'll tell you that. So, alright, well, we gotta keep going. We got this part of the driveway to do. This is a nice wraparound driveway, and then this is just a nice little 2-track for the quads to cruise through. The main one's right there. So, but yeah, right there, they just cruise right through here with the quads, kind of like a circle track there. So. Okay, so what I do is I'll put my strap on first when I have the Thatcher on. So that way I can, you know, get my strap tight on the tractor, and then I can kind of just like weave it right through. See how it's kind of weaved right through there? But you put it down a little bit. See, it's not all the way to the trailer yet, but they're both kind of weaved right through. Look on the other one here. And then that way you can put this all the way down. So now when I lower it the rest of the way down, there, now we're not stabbing the strap. So just another suggestion, when you're pulling pins like this, and then you're going to put this arm right here, usually I either put it there or over there on that one. I stopped putting it on this one because it was kind of messing the paint up. So I was putting it on this spot right here. But anyways, when you pull these pins out, like see right here, we'll grab it and we'll pull it out, right? Don't just set it on the trailer like this. Don't do that, because 9 chances out of 10 you're going to knock it around, you're going to lose it or whatever. So I'll pull it, and then I'll take this bar and I'll pull it out, and I'll put the pin back in the hole after this bar is out. And then I can lean my bar down. The pin is still in the hole there. See where that hole right there? It'll still be in the hole, so that way it stays with the trailer. And that is something that I've used, and it has worked wonders because I don't lose these pins. So I don't lose these pins when I do that procedure. So that's just a little helpful tip that I use, and it works great. I don't ever have to buy those because I just don't lose them, because I put them right back in the hole when I'm done, and then just keep them right with the gate, and that works great. So all right, let's finish getting this strapped up, and then we can be done for the day. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hopefully it helped you out. That little Thatcher there, I really wasn't thinking about ever buying one like that, but I just was thinking, what can I use that will just scrape the top part and not really go deep, not really dig down deep into the ground, just scrape the top part, get the loose particles up, and just pile them up in a spot just to skim it, you know? And that thing definitely works great. So like I said, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and notification and all that good stuff. Everything you're supposed to do when you like a video. So I hope you guys have a good night, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.